Hello students, I'm back for you as we were doing the series of 500 questions. So I was not able to update you for this last 2-3 days. I'm sorry for that. But once again, I'm back with some more questions. Okay, those who have missed the first few sessions, they can see our channel and they can see my previous videos. Today I will be starting from question number 21. I have already done 20 questions with you. So let us practice some more questions related to the NEET. And don't worry student about your NEET update. If some notification comes related with that, I will definitely update you very soon with that. Okay, chalo, let us start the session for today. Question number 21. Okay, which one of the correct option for the label diagram A, B, C, D? You can see here student, you can clearly see here we are talking about the name of the chromosome on the basis of the position of the centromere. Now here in the first one you can see the centromere is present very close towards the telomere. That is why the name is given to it as the telocentric. And you can see in all the four options A, B, C, D, only in option A you are getting A as telocentric. So remember, you can save your time by doing like this one. Just seeing the first diagram you can mark your answer. But let us confirm ourselves with the other one. Number B is acrocentric, C is submetacentric, and D is metacentric. So I hope so you are clear with this. Okay, let us go with the next question. Question number 22. Okay, match the following. Some question will be there, they will be taking more time. So here match the following. Algae you know belong to Clydomonas. Fungi, they belong to the Rhizopus. Angiosperm, here the example is Solanum tuberosum. Now you can see with A we are going as 4, with B we are going as 5. यहाँ पे ही you can eliminate all the answer. Okay, A is not of them, C is not of them, where A is going with 4 and B is going with 5. There you can get the answer as option B. There you can confirm yourself. Angiosperm as Solanum tuberosum, and there the pteridophyte is the equistum and gymnosperm is the cycas. I hope so you are clear with this. Moving forward with the next question. Question number 23. Students, ये एकदम सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. Student of class 7 should also do it. Okay, अगर ये तुम नहीं कर सकते, if you can't do this one, then you have to start your preparation for the NEET right from the zero. Okay, in animal, glucose is stored in which form? Glucose is stored in which form in animal? We store them in the form of glycogen, whereas in the plant in the form of starch. That is option D is the correct answer. Very simple one, there is nothing to do here. Okay, going with the next question. Question number 24. Okay, see, vessels are absent. Vessels are absent. Okay, where यहाँ पे you can find a odd one out of this 3 one. You can see Pinus is the odd one out of the 3 one where the vessels are absent. So the answer is C here. Question number 24. Answer is C here. Mark it. We are moving forward very fast with the next question. Question number 25. This is very interesting. This is one of the very interesting questions, student. Okay. Now see here what they are asking for. Identify the phase from the graph given below that shows the change in the DNA content. Now you can see the DNA content was 2C first of all. Now the DNA from the 2C have increased to 4C. Here you can understand, here in the B phase only the synthesis of DNA is happening, and as I said you, synthesis of DNA means what? S phase. Now you can see here S phase is here, and before the S phase we have the G phase. After the S phase we will have G2 phase, and then we will have M phase. The answer is C here. Very interesting question, very important question. You can mark it. Okay. Question number 25. Answer is C. Next one. 27. This is from the mineral and nutrition. ये क्वेश्चन तुमको अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा. You have to just go with this. You have to know the exact function of calcium. They are required for the synthesis of the bipolar syndrome. That is A के साथ जाएगा 5. Boron is very much required for the absorption of calcium because they work very close to each other. Now you can see A के साथ 5 and B के साथ 3. You can see option D is the correct answer, and you can just check yourself with the other option. Okay. 26. Done. We are moving forward to the next question. 27. Transpiration. ट्रांसपिरेशन पता है बच्चों तुम लोगों को क्या होता है? व्हाट इज ट्रांसपिरेशन? ट्रांसपिरेशन इज द लॉस ऑफ वाटर. ट्रांसपिरेशन इज द लॉस ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द वाटर पार्ट. दैट इज ए के साथ जाएगा 3. Now you can see there only one option are there where A के साथ 3 जाएगा. Remember student, sometimes you can save your time like this one. Sometimes it may be there just so many questions are there, so many options are there, so many match the followings are there. But if you read the option very correctly, okay, have your concentration there, without reading whole option you can test yourself and you can save your time. So you can see here option C is only the correct answer. Now you test yourself. A के साथ 3, with B we are going 4. That is guttation is the loss of liquid from the leaf exudation. That is 5. C के साथ जाएगा 5, that is loss of water from the injured part, and D के साथ जाएगा 1, that is the use of energy. That is question number 27. The answer is C as we have marked. Okay, next एकदम सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. दैट इज द जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप और द जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड ब्रिंजल दैट वी आर making. Why we are making? To protect it from the insect. That is the insect resistance we are forming there. That is why. Question number 29 students. Radial vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundle will be found where? Radial vascular bundle, you will see that it is found in the root of angiosperm. Will be found in the root of angiosperm. कोलैटरल वास्कुलर बंडल. कोलैटरल बंड मतलब जहाँ पे फ्लोएम ऊपर होगा, द फ्लोएम विल बी एट द टॉप एंड देन द जाइलम देयर एट द डाउन. कोलैटरल वास्कुलर बंडल इज फाउंड इन द सनफ्लावर. ओके, यू कैन सी ए के साथ 3 एंड बी के साथ 4. ओके, आफ्टर दैट द बाइकोलैटरल. द बाइकोलैटरल इज फाउंड इन द क्यूकरबिटा. बाइकोलैटरल इज फाउंड इन द क्यूकरबिटा. एंड डी के साथ क्या जाएगा? डी के साथ यू विल सी एम्फीक्राइबल. इट इज फाउंड इन द फन. एम्फीवेसल इट इज फाउंड इन द ट्रैकेना. Remember, amphicribal and amphivessel is not given in your NCERT. It is not given in your NCERT, but you have to study amphicribal and amphivessel, where xylem surrounds the phloem and then the phloem surrounds the xylem. You have to go with that one. Okay. For today we will be doing one more question. Very interesting one, this one. Okay, remember ये तो एकदम सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. You can see here how many gametes will be produced by the plant having the genotype like this one. You can see it is a trihybrid. Okay, but if you see the heterogamety will be found only in the B. And when you have to find the gamete, the formula was 2 to the power n. The formula was 2 to the power n, where n is the number of heterogamety, that is 2 to the power 1. So ultimately you will get the answer as 2. तो यहाँ पे दो तरीका का गैमेट ही निकलेगा. एंड व्हाट विल बी दैट गैमेट? आई विल जस्ट मेक इट वेरी क्लियर विथ यू. यू कैन फाइंड द गैमेट विथ कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी एंड कैपिटल सी. ये तो एक गैमेट बनेगा. एक और गैमेट बनेगा कैपिटल ए, स्मॉल बी एंड कैपिटल सी. दिस आर द 2 gametes which you can form. These are the only 2 gametes which you will be forming, students. Okay, so यही था आज का एक छोटा सा सेशन. You can practice yourself with 10 more questions where I have made it very clear with you, and I hope so it will be helpful for you. I'm ending the class today. Hope I will be updating tomorrow as well with the next few set of questions, and that will be very helpful for you. Okay students, thank you. Take care then.